Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services mains, IFS and GATE aerospace exams. So we just solved two numericals based on one-dimensional flow with heat radiation. Now we will analyze the results obtained from these numericals. Okay, first we will analyze the supersonic flow when heat is added to it. What happens? So supersonic flow means initial Mach number is more than 1 when heat is added. So when heat is added in that numerical the initial Mach number was 3 and when heat is added we got the Mach number as 1.5. Okay, so the numerical was air enters the duct, constant area duct at m1 is equal to 3p1 is equal to 1 atmosphere, t1 is equal to 300 Kelvin. Inside the duct the heat added per unit mass is q 3 into 10 power 5 joule per kg. Calculate the flow parameter m2, p2, t2, ρ2, t02, p02 at the exit of the duct. So here m1 was in our inlet Mach number was 3 and we have got m2 as 1.58. So it means Mach number decreases, m2 is less than m1 and we got the p2 as 3.025 and initial pressure was 1 atmosphere. So it means pressure increases. Okay, and third is temperature increases, T2 is more than T1. So T2 is 761.7 and T1 is 300. So temperature increases. And next is total temperature increases. As heat is added to total temperature will increase, and we have got T2 as T02 as 1139 and initial T01 was 840. Okay, and pressure, stagnation pressure decreases. P02 is less than P01. So here P02 was 12.49 and initial pressure P01 was the ratio of P02 and P01 was 0.34, so it means the P02 is less than P01. Okay. And as Mach number decreases, so U2 will also decrease. Okay, so these are the results in supersonic flow. So for supersonic flow in region 1, that is Mach number more than 1 when heat is added. First is Mach number decreases, m2 is less than m1, pressure increases, p2 is greater than p1, temperature increases, t2 is greater than t1, total temperature increases, t02 is greater than t01, total pressure decreases, p02 is less than p01 and velocity decreases, u2 is less than u1. So now we will consider subsonic flow. It means initial Mach number is m1 which is less than 1 and heat is added. So and we solve one numerical of subsonic flow also, and there the initial Mach number was 0.2. Okay, so it was 0.2 and final Mach number we got after heat addition of 1.0 to 10⁶, we got final Mach number as 0.58. So it means Mach number increases. Okay. And here we have got P2 as 0.718 atmosphere and initial pressure was 1 atmosphere. So here we can we have got different results. In case of supersonic flow, pressure increases, whereas in case of subsonic flow, pressure decreases. Temperature increases for m1 less than, if m1 this quantity is less than 1 by root gamma, gamma is 1.4 here, and decreases for m1 greater than 1 by gamma. So this is a standard result. In this case, final temperature is 1183, and initial was 2433. So as it means, when Mach number is more than 1 by gamma, here Mach number was more than 1 by gamma, 1 by root gamma. So sorry, Mach number was less than 1 by root gamma, so temperature would increase. 1 by root gamma, 1 by 1 root gamma is approximately Mach number as 0.84. It is as initial Mach number was 0.2, so it is less than 0.84. It means temperature increases and here temperature also increases. Total temperature will increase because heat is as a total pressure decreases. So here also the pressure, total pressure is 0.902 and initial total pressure is 1.0028. So pressure total pressure decreases. So as Mach number increases, so velocity will also increase. So u2 is greater than u1. So these are the results we obtain. So again studying these results, certain physical terms by numbers obtained from solutions are important and are summarized as 1. For supersonic flow in region 1, that is m1 is greater than 1, when heat is added, Mach number decreases, m2 is less than m1. Pressure increases, p2 is greater than p1. Temperature increases, t2 is greater than t1. Total temperature increases, T02 is greater than T01. Total pressure decreases, P02 is less than P01. Velocity decreases, U2 is less than U1. Subsonic, now this is for supersonic, not for subsonic. For subsonic flow in region 1, M1 is less than 1 when heat is added. A. Mach number increases, M2 is greater than M1. B. Pressure decreases, P2 is less than P1. C. Temperature increases for M1 less than 1 by root gamma and decreases for M1 greater than 1 by root gamma. 1 by root gamma is approximately 0.84. So here the Mach number is 0.2 or initial Mach number was 0.2, so there is less than 0.4, so temperature here increases. Total temperature increases, T02 is greater than T01. Total pressure decreases, P02 is less than P01. Velocity increases as Mach number increases, so velocity will also increase. So U2 is greater than U1. For heat extraction, cooling or flow, above parameters are opposite. So these results would be opposite, would be take out heat.